In today's video on PascalCoin, we're going to review the long-term history of the chart and determine if it's making a bottom formation that might indicate another huge breakout to come. Before we do the assessment, I'd like to invite you to join me over on digitalcurrencytraders.com, where you can join up and learn about cryptocurrency trading for free. And now back to the charts. So here we're looking at the longest term prices of this coin all the way back to the beginning of 2017. So if I zoom in just a little bit, we can see in March and April of 2017 all the way through June and July, PascalCoin made a good run up, much like the rest of the cryptocurrencies. And then it made its long downtrend through 2017, a bottom in November, another bottom in December, and then it made a massive run, much bigger than most of the other cryptocurrencies, through the bull run of January 2018. And because it was going up versus Bitcoin, that was an enormous gain there. Now prices have made the big long downtrend, much like the rest of the cryptos. It has made a bottom in April and a little bit of a run up in May, and it was really looking enticing. If we move this chart back to this May period here, this chart pattern was really looking enticing. As Bitcoin was going up and this was making big candles to the upside, this was looking like it was going to break higher again. So the moving averages were coming close together on the one-day chart. If we move into the 3-month chart and move back, we can see that this was a bottom formation here, and the moving averages crossed over and the prices went into this sideways channel just at the top. So it really looked bullish at the time. And it's important to have your risk control rules prepared in advance, so that if you do get a fake out breakout like this and prices then top out and start coming down, it's important to be ready to be selling out of your position even if you're feeling really bullish. So now as we come into the price charts for today at the end of August of 2018, we can see that prices have come down. They've made a bottom formation, much like the rest of the cryptos have, and we're getting ready to see this moving average cross over on the 12-hour bars. If we zoom into the 4-hour bars, we can see that moving average has already crossed over. We're seeing the bottom on the 13th of August, much like the rest of them. Another retest of the bottom on the 23rd and the 27th, and a good candle of strength here. Prices have faded back a little bit. This could be the indicators of beginning of pre-pump pattern. But like we saw back in May, it is important to remain ready for this to be a fake out breakout and be ready to get out of the position if the downtrend is going to continue. I'm pretty bullish on most of the cryptocurrencies now, especially since we've come down to historical lows and we're making that bottom formation turnaround. At the same time that Bitcoin seems to have found some bottom strength here. No guarantee that things are going to continue upwards. Bitcoin still has an important triangle to break out of here, and I do believe that the rest of the cryptos will follow it if it does. So PascalCoin is looking pretty attractive right now, and my trading signal comes into play when this 1, 2, 3 bottom formation is broken out and these two moving averages cross over each other when looking at the 12-hour bars. If you're liking this video, be sure to go over to digitalcurrencytraders.com and sign up, register for the free training. This remarkable free training series will leave you with the sense that you can do this with cryptocurrencies. You can follow these simple rules and experience consistent profits and success, even if you're starting out with nothing, even if you failed in the past. This free training will get you all you need to know about how to make Bitcoin, how to keep it, and how to grow it.